Namaskar. Come and join us on the journey of exploring Mani Bhavan, the Gandhi Sangrahalaya. Mani Bhavan is one of the few important places hallowed by Mahatma Gandhi's close association. Gandhi took his first lessons in carding by a carder passing by Mani Bhavan every day in 1917. Satyagraha against the Rowlatt Act was launched here in March 1919. To defy the Indian Press Act, Gandhiji began issuing here an unregistered weekly bulletin, Satyagrahi, from 7th April 1919. Gandhi started his historic fast on 19 November 1921 to restore the peace in Bombay after disturbance seen at the time to boycott the visit of Prince of Wales on 17 November 1921. Gandhi gave a call to the country to observe 26 January as an Independence Day. The Congress Working Committee met here in 9th June 1931 and decided to send Gandhi as a sole representative to the Round Table Conference in London. Gandhi was arrested in his tent on the terrace of Mani Bhavan on the early mornings of 4th January 1932. The last day of Gandhi in Mani Bhavan was 18th June 1934.
We welcome you to Mani Bhavan. Mani Bhavan is a place where Mahatma Gandhi stayed during 1917 and 1934 whenever he used to be in Bombay city. Actually, it belongs to one Mr. Reva Shankar Javeri. He was close associates of Mahatma Gandhi, you can say friend of Mahatma Gandhi, and this building belongs to him, Reva Shankar Javeri. The house was purchased from that family in 1955 and has been converted into a museum since then.
Library. The library on the ground floor consists of more than 50,000 books in references and lending sections. It contains books by and on Gandhiji and Gandhian thought and allied subjects. It subscribes to 50 periodicals to Gandhian thought, peace research and different social science.
Exhibition Hall. The rooms on either side of the exhibition have been turned into a picture gallery which gives glimpses of Gandhiji in Mani Bhavan and important events in his life. It displays photographic posters depicting important events and photostats of some significant letters, articles and documents written by and about Gandhiji with appropriate captions in Hindi and English.
Gandhiji's room. The room on the second floor, which used to be the living room and working place of Gandhiji, has been preserved as far as possible in its original setting.
Glimpses of Gandhi in minifigures.
About Mahatma Gandhi, and this place is so good to see the overview of his life, and it brings me a lot of inclusion of Gandhi and the Indian history.
In one of the speeches, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru states that Mani Bhavan in Bombay will ever remain a precious memory to all those who visited it on many occasions when Gandhiji used to stay there. I am glad, therefore, that this house is being converted into a Gandhi memorial.
जग में साचो